Do you want to know how to get free PrizeRebel points? Then this video is for you. My name is Michael and I have been a member of PrizeRebel for several years and had some quite good results with it and earned quite a bit of extra money here. And in this video, I will show you how you can easily find PrizeRebel promo codes so you can get free points. And I will also share a special promo code with you that is only for viewers here of my channel and visitors to my website. So let me just start by saying this is not a full PrizeRebel review. I have that somewhere else on my channel and on my website, and we'll leave a link below here so you can find the full review and full tutorial if that is what you're looking for. Here I want to focus on an easy way to get a few extra PrizeRebel points once in a while. So let's start by the general promo codes that you can find quite often, and then later I will show you a special promo code that you can use that is only for you because you're watching this video here. But let's focus on the general promo codes that you can keep finding over and over again. And to find those PrizeRebel promo codes, the best way is actually to follow them on their social media channels. I'm right now on Facebook, but they also do have other social media channels. But here, as you can see an example of here, they regularly post these promo codes, and all you then just do is here to copy it and then paste it in to the promo code field inside your PrizeRebel account, and then you will get some free points right away. It literally takes a few seconds. So if you are a member of PrizeRebel, or if you become a member of PrizeRebel after watching this video here, then make sure to keep an eye on their social media, because these free points will come once in a while. In my experience, they would be posted usually around once a week, but sometimes it can be a little bit more often, and sometimes it is not every week, but usually once per week. However, you just need to be aware that usually these codes that you find there are only valid the same day, so you just need to keep an eye on it regularly, but it also does not take a long time to keep an eye on it. Once in a while, you can also find special promo codes in emails they send out. This is, in my experience, not very often, but I have experienced it a few times where they do send out an email, and there's just a small code that you need to copy and paste, and then you get some free points. So that will also give you an extra incentive to actually opening their emails and just checking for that, because they sometimes do send out emails where they tell you about service or other offers you can complete on the platform, and then sometimes if you're lucky you can find a promo code there. But let's now also go over a special promo code that you can use because you are watching this video here on my channel. So because I have this YouTube channel and my website, I have been given a special promo code from PrizeRebel so I can share it with you so you can get some extra free points. But before I show that, if I can just ask you to just spend 1 second to hit the like button, because that can help my videos to be seen by more people. Thanks. So let's now go over this promo code here. You just need to be aware that this is a special welcome bonus code, so it is only valid if you actually join through my invitation link, and I will leave a link below this video here where you can find that invitation link. So if you join through that invitation link, then you can use this bonus code here right away. You can put it into the field as you can see here, and then you would get a few extra points right away. It's of course not a bonus that will make you rich or anything like that, but it literally takes a few seconds, and that is something I really like in general about the promo codes on PrizeRebel. They are very easy to redeem, so it can be a fast way to earn a few extra points here and there. So I hope this video helped you find out exactly how to use PrizeRebel's promo codes and where to actually find them, because that's the most important thing. Just be aware that often they are only available the same day when they, for example, post them onto their social media, but it can definitely be worth keeping an eye on because it's very easy free points. And if you're not yet a member, then make sure to join through my invitation link and use the special welcome bonus code that I showed you earlier here. And I will of course also leave links below here so you can go to my website where I have written the code there, and where you can also find the invitation link that you can join through and then redeem those extra free points. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, then make sure to hit the like button, and also do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time there's a video with tips and tricks about how to get the most out of get paid to sites, paid service sites, and other free ways to earn some extra cash on the site online.